Hi guys, welcome back to another excellent lighting video today. Today we have this ProLume ED37 400 watt metal halide bulb. This bulb I got at the restore actually about a month ago on March 15th in my Chantilly video. If you have been keeping up with my videos, you may have seen a video of it, or the video that it was included in. But yeah, IC stands for enclosed, I'm pretty sure. This bulb has been turned on before, I believe, because it's got a little bit of halide salts there. But today, we are gonna turn it on. So now, let's put it into our little setup. Alright, let's put it into our little setup here. Of course, mine is wired up for everything, so alright, we shall now fire this bulb up. Turn off that. Check our connections. Everything seems to be pretty much fine. So let's turn it up. Fire it up in 3, 2, 1. You can see the arc tube in there. Dim with a mercury vapor color, but of course, let's let this thing warm up. Alright, I think we are at full brightness now. Let's go up to it and look at the arc. You can see the sodium lines making that distinct reddish tone. It is lighting the room up very, very, very brightly. Just look at my hand. For comparison, the arc is bowing again, slightly. But yeah, this took about 4 or 3 minutes to warm up. Of course, let's watch a cool down. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, comment and like to make sure that I can do more of this. Thank you for watching.